family. In today's video, I will be taking Sonia lovely, beautiful long curls from this stage to this stage by blow drying her hair. But before doing that, I just wanted to share with you guys her before picture where she started from. This is how short her hair was in 2016. And then I was also diagnosed with traction alopecia and alopecia areata. So I decided to turn to DIY products and to produce my own organic all natural growth oils. So I want to make this oil available to as many as I can because I know how it has helped me, my family, and everyone. So I also just want to tell you guys a little bit about it. Welcome to the family. My name is Selina Zinchuk. At our Secrets, we combine 21 all natural oils plus herbs to produce a one-of-a-kind hair growth formula. After years of wasting countless amounts of money on salons and toxic beauty products, in 2016 I was diagnosed with traction alopecia and alopecia areata. I decided to start fresh and began to produce my own hair care oils. With many years of research into what oils plus herbs stimulate hair recovery, I produced my S Secrets Growth Oil. Now, with thousands of certified clients worldwide, we would love the opportunity to help you get started. The infusion process of this oil takes 1 month, which is very difficult to make. However, we are running a Memorial Day sale and would love to invite you to try this oil out, and we would really appreciate your feedback on it. I am confident that just how this oil helped me, my daughters, my families, and my friends, and all of my clients around, you will also receive positive feedback. I will see you on my website.
My mom has pre-booed my hair, put shampoo in it, and deep condition it. Now she's going to part it into smaller parts.
So all what I'm doing is just parting her hair in smaller sections and then just applying the Meyer Timber heat protecting spray because as you guys know we don't want any heat damage. Even though this dryer is a reverse heat, it wouldn't damage the hair, but just to be on the safe side, I'm just adding in some heat protectant. Hold it. Then I just spray it on it. Yeah, it keeps on sticking. And yes, I'm going in with a lot of it.
Make sure the hair is safe.
I think by the time I'm done with her hair, all of this is gonna be done. Yes, make sure the hair is safe. That's the goal. I've worked so hard on your hair. I don't want anything to damage it.
But you're straightening it.
I don't know yet. You asked me to straighten your hair. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it.
Please? It's the first time in forever.
That's true. I'm
So-
thinking about it.
So is that a yes?
Let's see. Let's see how the blow dry look. If it blow dries very well, that I just have to go in with one pass of the straight iron, then yes, I will. Okay, we're on the last section on this part. I'm done protecting her entire hair with the heat protectant, and I just have it in these mini twist or wrap, or I don't know how you call it. But I'm now just going to start the blow dry process. But before starting the blow dry process, let me just show you guys exactly what came in the RevAir because that is what we are going to be using. They sent it to me free of charge, so I'm just reviewing it and I'm just going to see how well it works on Sonia here and my hair. This is the big box this came in. This is a very big machine, and I know many of you guys already know about it because this is popular on YouTube. It's just I haven't had the time to get it. They sent this to me free of charge, and this is how it's looking. It's very big, and luckily for me it already came connected because some videos that I saw, this part was off, and then within there that's the filter. So after using it, I need to disconnect this and clean the filter. So this is how it's looking. It's like a big vacuum cleaner. Let me set this down. This is the head where we kind of suck the hair into it. Just take this off. And then it also came with this stand just in case if you have somewhere for you to set the head in. This is the stand, so I'm going to find a way to mount this on the wall where I'm going to be keeping it. Also included a spray bottle and natural hair. That's awesome. Second thing, clips for holding our hair, because you know we guys always do the working section with our hair texture. They also send me some clips, and this is just the book telling you about it, the instructions. That's something I will just inform you guys a little bit about it while I'm doing her hair. They send me mini size of their products. I had no idea that they also sell products, but they send me the Play Age Great. This is if you want to apply it to your hair before, like what I was applying this on your hair. And then this is also Wave Goodbye. And this is a bright spot. It's something that was the same. Spray on wet or dry hair for shine boost. So that's what they sent me. What else? There's something else here. Let me open this up and see. The last item that is in the box. I don't know if this is a microfiber towel because there's no direction for it, but it feels very soft and I love it. So let's just get right on with blow drying the hair. So from the texture of Sonia hair, I can either use it on 3 or 4, but I'm gonna go with either 5 or 6 because I've seen how it worked on people hair with similar texture of hers. So I don't want to stay here all day. Her hair is already very long, and this is very loud. So I'm just going to make you guys listen to the sound just for a little bit, and then I will turn it off, play some music while you guys watch me blow drying her hair. It's on, and I'm turning this nozzle. Okay, family, so this is how her hair is looking just from the blow dry. It's looking like I don't even need to straighten her hair. Maybe just one pass if I just want to chip her dead ends off because I haven't trimmed her ends for a while now and I need to get it out. But this is really amazing, and it's taking me no time to do this section, and there is no talking and pulling on the hair. There is no breakage, and her hair feels very soft. So I'm just going to continue doing the blow dry, and you guys just watch. I'm fully done blow drying her hair and it took us 35 minutes. I used 45 seconds on each section. And after I just threw it in this, the her hair just, and this is how her hair is looking. This is the finished look of just blow drying her hair using the RevAir reverse hair dryer. I'm happy knowing that this dryer wouldn't cause any heat damage to her hair because it's reverse air. And this is something I will be using on her hair and myself. Now, the only con I have about this dryer is the price, but it is a great investment if you care about your hair.
If you liked the video, then please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. See you in the next video.
And I said to say Aurora coming to eat all your food. What are you eating your little sister food for? What's wrong with you?